The includes array method determines if an array includes a certain value among its elements, and if the value is present in the array, the result is true. If it's not, it's false. So for example, if I want to check if Italy is in the countries array, I have to do this. Result is equal to countries dot includes Italy. Console.log result. So the result is false because Italy is not in this array. So for example, if I say countries includes France, if I run it, the result is true. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.